Hello and welcome to the Simply Solve Video Resource Library. In today's session, we're going to talk about the Transfer module. Open up the LiAM application and select Transfer. Transfers are very powerful if you want to capture your shipments, your receipts, and your interdepartmental transfers. You can create transfer headers and then add assets to the list and generate pick lists and shipping reports and exports. Let's take a look at the one that we have here. All you have to do is double click on the transfer ID and then all of the fields relative to the shipment, the receipt, and all of the carrier information as well as forms are included here in your header. You can also attach shipping documents, you can attach authorizations, and you can add notes as well. So once your header is created, then you can select the asset list. The asset list is where you can go ahead and start to add assets. You can go ahead and scan them with a barcode scanner, or you can enter them, or you can pick them from a list. You also have the ability to add crates and boxes if you want to identify your assets by crate or box. You can go ahead and select some additional assets, and now you see that they are being added to your list as the second crate, first box. So these are all the details that are part of your shipment, along with some information on the shipment types. If you want to review a report, we have two options. We have an A size, 8.5 by 11. We also have a B size tabloid size report, or you can export that data right to a spreadsheet and create your own. Let's take a look at the A size report. The A size report allows you to see the shipment types, shipment addresses, contacts, where it's going to be received and delivered to, program information, as well as your carrier information. It also details the assets that are in the report. We extend the columns here in blue, and we provide summaries. So if you are tracking, or if you have listed the weights and dims in your library for that catalog, then when you select this item here, we actually tabulate all of that and then we summarize it up for you as well. So in this case, this entire shipment packed weighs 57.6 pounds, has 9 cubic feet. If you want to take a look at the B size report, you can go ahead and select B and generate. This will print out on a tabloid, 11 by 17, so it's more linear and it doesn't wrap the columns around. You can also export the results right to a spreadsheet. By clicking that, it'll open up a spreadsheet for you and save the file in your LiAM Files, LiAM Reports folder. If we were to go out to that folder, we would go open up our files and reports, and we would see that we have a transfer item, which shows you then all of the information from that pick list in a spreadsheet form. That way you can attach it to emails, etc., so that your customers have it in a soft spreadsheet format. You can also print the reports. If you have a default printer, you can simply select print and then generate, and it'll print out to your default printer. When you're ready, you can go ahead and update the status of all of the items in your list by simply selecting these key fields. The status is shipped. You're shipping it to this location. And then you can select publish. So the transfer has been published and it's set to inactive. So these assets 8, 9, 10, 15, and 16 now have all been shipped. If you come back to your asset list and you go down and you look, and you can see that those assets were shipped. Now 9, remember 9 was a parent asset. So when we shipped 9, we shipped all of its children with it. So that covers the transfer module. Again, it's very effective in being able to manage your shipments, your receipts, and your transfers, along with all your documentation, as well as all of your freight information. If you have any questions on the use of the transfer module, please contact us at trackitwithliam.com. Go to our contact support page and let us know how we can help you.